am back with another wig review, and this wig review is on a very popular wig. The name of this wig is Sellout, and this is a Styles by Soma wig. And this wig is so popular because it's a human hair blend, which means that it moves and feels just like human hair. And it's also heat resistant up to 350 degrees. So that means that you could curl and style this wig if you wanted to. That being said, I do caution you that the more that you style your wigs and use heat on your wigs, that it is a little harder on your wigs, and it can, cut down on the life of your wigs. So use heat with caution. So let me get into telling you a little bit more about this wig. So this wig is a lace front wig. It has lace right here in the front. If you can see the hairline, it is a really, really natural hairline. And it is a light, medium brown wig. And it comes down to right at my shoulders. You can see the back. This is a really beautiful wig. Now, this is a free part wig, so that means that you can move this part anywhere you want it. So let's talk about the cap construction. The cap construction is a lace front wig. So it's got lace right here in the front, but it's an open wefted cap in the back. So that means that it is a lot lighter and breathable, and that is especially helpful in the summertime so it doesn't get super hot. Now, this is a free part wig, which means that you can change this part and part it any way you want it. Now, as far as sizing goes on this wig, this is an average to large size wig. So, for example, my head is 21 inches and I have it at the smallest size right now. It's got adjustable straps, and so with my head at 21 inches, it fits me perfectly, but you can also adjust it up larger, up to 23.5 inches. So this wig is large or average to large size. So this wig also has an extra support band here in the back, and so that keeps the wig on nice and snug. You're not going to have to worry about this wig going anywhere. So there are currently 2 other wigs on the website that are similar in style to this one. There is Altitude and Jagger and Alibi. So if you like this style but you don't really like the color, check out either of those 3 wigs. I hope you all found this review helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below, and be sure to shop from my link below. It is an affiliate link, so it goes to help my wig addiction. Y'all have a great day.